What is going on, everyone? Welcome to my first ever YouTube video that I'm trying very hardly to make, just not catching any fish, but we will change that here in a little bit. There we go. There's one. There's one. There's one. Ooh, there's one. Yesterday I got out on the water. I tried to film, had all kinds of issues from trolling motor wiring to, just catching dinks all day. There's one. Not a big one, but first bass. Not a bad fish. Little guy. Gonna release him. So we're out at the spot. It's a little lake. I don't know the name of it. They call it the Port of Liberty, or it used to be. They used to bring barges up in here, and down there there's a plant and stuff. They used to bring pipe for the pipeline and everything down in here, and well, it closed off, but it's an overflow from the Trinity River, so when the water's up, it flows into here, brings all kinds of fish and gators and everything else. There's drum, bowfin, everything you think of is in this water, all fresh water too. But yeah, let's get after it. Let's go fish. Alright guys, so we're gonna see if there's anything in the standing timber here. I have caught a bass out of here before, and I just gotta get one on camera. Hopefully. It's got me hung up. There we go. There's one. It's got me hung up and wrapped around that tree. Oh, stay on. There we go. It's a little guy. Little bitty. What is that? No way. Guys, I think it's a crappie. It is. Look at this, guys. Oh my god, that's a slab. Huh. That is a slab. Look at that, guys. Was not expecting to catch a crappie on a crawl. And I don't have a cooler with me to take it home. Our light bulb. Dang it. And I don't have my phone. But such a beautiful fish. That was insane. So guys, that was unbelievable. I just caught a crappie, a nice one too, on a crawl, fishing for largemouth. Insane. The sad part about that is I don't have a cooler or nothing to take it home in, because that's some good eating. Oh no. Haha. There's a boy. Get it? No. So essentially what I'm doing, I'm kind of letting the bait fall around all this timber, and I'm just slowly dragging it over, and I pop it when I feel that structure underneath the water. 9 times out of 10 I get a good reaction bite, but it doesn't really seem like it's happening so far. Stay on, stay on, stay on. It's a little guy, but that's what we're here for. Largemouth bass. Pretty colors. Nice looking fish. Little bitty guy. Let's get him back in the water. One. Okay. Blackfish. There's one. Ooh, that's a good one. Stay there. And see if I can get the hook out. There we go. That one. Nice looking fish. There's one. Another one. Stay down, stay down. Oh. Another good one. Oh. Come on, guy. Settle down. Oh, he swallowed it. Damn it. I left my pliers in the truck. Get her in the water a little bit. Look at that. Another good one. I gotta get released because she's bleeding pretty bad. She swallowed the hook. I don't know about y'all, but being on the water is better than being anywhere else. Got a little bit longer to fish. I'm gonna try and catch more. We're wrapping it up and going home. There's one. Yep. Yep. Another good one. About a 2-pounder. That came right out. Look at that guy. Beautiful fish. Oh yeah, a couple largemouth bass. Yeah. Do what?
Can we look at them? Can we look at them?
Oh, I don't have them. No.
Oh, you threw them back?
Yeah, I threw them back.
Maybe I got one.
That's a nice one.
Maybe.
Woo! Heck yeah, man.